There are routines we force ourselves into, and then there are those we gently return to. Not out of pressure, but because they feel like home. For me, that's always been yoga. I didn't discover yoga as an adult. It's been with me since I was a child. Watching my father, my grandfather, I never questioned it. I just joined them. It was the first form of movement my body learned. And even now, years later, it's the first thing I turn to when I need grounding. But as I've grown older, I've come to realize yoga is not just about the asanas. It's not just the postures or the perfect pose for social media. Yoga is a way of living. It's yam, the values I try to live by. It's niyam, the discipline and daily habits that keep me grounded. It's pranayam, the breath work that helps me reset on anxious days. And sometimes it's just sitting in silence, eyes closed, reconnecting with myself, dhyan, meditation. I have started seeing yoga not as something I have to do perfectly every day, but as something that lives in the way I show up for myself and for others. Life changed, school, work, travel, deadlines. My schedule didn't always allow me to practice daily, but yoga was never something I had to force. It waited, and when I showed up, it welcomed me, whether it was once a week or once a month. Yoga to me was never about how deep I could go into a pose. It was how deep I could go within. On days when my mind was loud and restless, I didn't need answers. I just needed to breathe, to move, to be. Now, I see yoga less as a practice and more like a language. One that my body and mind speak to each other. Not about flexibility, but about feeling whole, present, and grateful. It's not daily, it's neither perfect, but it is mine. A space where I meet myself again and again. That's yoga.